Chapter 6. Our body. Learning objectives. Skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, the nervous system, the excretory system. Our body is made up of many parts that work together. Each part has a number of functions to perform. Millions of cells make a human body, a group of cells similar in structure from a tissue. Tissues combine to form organs. A group of organs together performing a task in a living body for an organ system. These different organs work together to make it possible. For the body to do different functions, there are various organ systems in our body, such as the digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, and skeletal system. We can stand straight, bend, sit or run easily because of the bones and muscles in our body. All the bones of the body are together known as skeleton. Our skeleton system is a framework of bones that support our body. It holds us up and gives us shape. It protects the delicate organs inside our body. The skulls protect our brain and the rib cage protect our heart and lungs. The spine holds up our neck and head. There are 206 bones in our body. Our bones are connected at joints. Joints allows us to bend, twist or kick. Our elbows and knees are joints. Muscular system. Muscles are like elastic threads connected to our bones. Muscles help the bones to move. Construction and relaxation of muscles make the bones move. As a result, we are able to walk, jump, eat, lift, run, dance and play. The movement of some muscles can be controlled by us, but some muscles are not in our control. They work all the time even when we are asleep. For example, our heart muscles keep on working all the time and help our heart to beat. We cannot control their movement, but we can move the muscles of our hands and legs at our will. Digestive system. Digestion is the process of breaking down the food into a similar form so that it can be absorbed by the body. Digestion begins right from the moment we take a bit of food. The food we eat is digested by the body with the help of the mouth, stomach and intestines. When we eat food, it is chewed by our teeth, gets mixed with the saliva in our mouth. Thus the food gets moist and slippery and it's pushed into the food pipe. For esophagus, the esophagus contracts and pushes the food into the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped muscular organ. The walls of the stomach have glands that produce digestive juices. The digestive juices mix with the food to help in digestion. Juices mix with the food to help in digestion. The juices of the stomach act on the food. The mashed food goes to the small intestine. The small intestine is a coiled tube which is about 20 feet in length. Here it is further digested and then absorbed into the blood. The remaining undigested food is passed into the large intestine. Here water from the food is absorbed and the undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. Respiratory system. Beside eating food, we need to breathe to live. The process of breathing in and breathing out of air is called respiration. The organs which take part in respiration from the respiratory system, these organs are nose, windpipe and the lungs. We breathe in air through the nose. Here the dust particles in the air are filtered out by the tiny hairs inside the nose. The dust-free air enters the trachea or windpipe. From here it enters the cone-shaped spongy wing called the lungs. The lungs expand and shrink in and breathe out, respectively. The oxygen from the air is sent in by the body and is taken to all the parts of the body. Carbon dioxide is given out. Oxygen helps to break down the food absorbed by the body. The food gives us energy to work or play. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood and blood vessels, arteries and veins. The main organs of the circulatory system is the heart. The heart is as big as your fist and is muscular pump. The heart continues and relaxes to pump blood through the blood vessel. The pumping action of the heart is called heartbeat. The beating of the heart makes the blood flow. Heartbeat is heard by doctor through a stethoscope. A healthy person's heart beats 72 times a minute. As blood flows through, it delivers the nutrients and oxygen to the cells. A normal human body has 4 to 5 liters of blood. This blood helps to carry all the nutrients and oxygen to the different parts of the body and carry away waste material from different parts of the body. The transportation of blood is performed by the blood vessels. Blood vessels are of two types, arteries and veins. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to every part of the body from the heart, and the veins bring blood full of carbon dioxide back to the heart. This process is repeated without any break during a person's lifetime. This is how the circulatory system functions. The nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. It controls all the other systems of our body. The brain is the command center of the nervous system. It is protected by the heart, bone and skulls. The brain connects itself to every part of our body through the nerves. It is responsible for sending and receiving messages from all the different parts of the body. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves which run down the spine. From the spinal cord, nerves branch out to every part of the body. The spinal cord collect message from the nerves and send them to the brain. Thus, nerves send information from one part of the body to another. Message reaching the brain through the nerves from the sense organs help us to see, hear, smell, touch and taste. For example, when we touch a very hot pan, you immediately draw your hand back. This is because your skin feels it and sends message to your brain. Brain in turn sends message to hand muscles so that you move your hand away. This is called reflex action. The excretory system. The excretory system consists of the kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The excretory system works to cleanse our blood and eliminate the waste product from our body. The main organs of the excretory system are the kidney. These are two bean-shaped organs located on each side of the waist or lower abdomen. The kidney filter the blood. They help to get rid of waste in the form of urine. The urine is carried by the tubes called ureters to the urinary bladder, and when the bladder is full, it is passed out through the urethra. Though the lungs and the skin are hot parts of the excretory system, these organs also help in removing body waste. Lungs help in throwing out bad air. The skin helps by removing the waste as sweat. Keywords. Esophagus, the action of the alimentary canal which lies between the pharynx and the stomach. Trachea, a windpipe that conducts air from the throat to the bronchi. Arteries, the blood vessel which carry blood away from the heart to the other body tissues. Urethra, the duct in the mammal through which urine is discharged. Looking back, the skeleton supports our body and it gives shape to our body. Muscles are connected to the bones. The stomach is the muscular organ which expands to hold food. The lungs expand and shrink when we breathe in and breathe out. Respectively, the organs that form a part of the excretory system are a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The brain is the command center of the nervous system. Reflex action lets our brain decide what action is to be taken to avoid. Put a tick on the correct